T-Train is at the French Camp RV Park in Manteca, California, a little northeast of San Jose, south of Sacramento. As soon as you get onto the property, you will notice there's a fitness center for the residents. This is the building that you're going to check in. This is a gated community, so no one's getting in here unless you're staying here full-time or part-time. That's the lane that you're going to pull in right over there, and you're going to go into the office, and they may even get you a card pass that you can access the key fob. Next door is a French Camp Sports Bar and Grill, and they have really good food, and it is beer, wine, liquor. And went in there yesterday and had a meal. Give a shout out to Kamikaze Jim. We met inside of there, nice man who actually picked up our tab. And once you're checking in, you might meet a young man named Jack who has excellent customer service. So a shout out to him as well. So let's go inside of the park and let's have some fun at French Camp in Manteca, California. At the heart of French Camp, you have a pavilion with a fish cleaning station inside of it in there. You got a maintenance guy in a golf cart. Up there by the swimming pool, you got a kids playground area. Lots of room to throw a football or whatever in here. You can also walk your dogs in it. Please pick up your potty so don't score a touchdown and step in it. Lots of great grass here at this park. You get a closer look at the pool and hot tub. Okay, there's your hot tub right there in the corner. Good sized swimming pool. Over there are restrooms, and you have some seating areas. The laundry is attached over here as well. All very nicely put together. Right at the center of the park, there's a lot of parking for cars, not necessarily visitors, but for residents. There are quite a few full-time people that live here. You can always pick them out with the fencing and decking and steps and things of that nature. So yeah, lots of overflow parking for the residents. One thing that French Camp has going for it here is lots of room to walk, bike. As you can see, there's Interstate 5, but it's a gorgeous area. Pretty big RV park, not huge, right there in the middle, sort of. But yeah, this is nice to come out here and walk your dogs, even if you don't want to go inside of the dog park. French Camp also has a nice little, I don't know, little water feature inside of it. Check out some ducks. You can see ducks coming in and out of here. And it's a gorgeous morning. Again, nice place to walk your doggies. Take a bike ride. Okay, French Camp has 2 dog parks. Massive dog park. Next to it is a smaller dog park, and that is for smaller dogs, 25 pounds or less. We made it into the big boys club with our 2 hefty 35 pounders ish, and they're going crazy. Big old tire you can run through. Too much fun for sure. Okay, give you an idea of the space that you have in a pull through. It's a 50 amp, easy connection. It's the one night stay. They do garbage pickup for you in the morning and afternoon. But we have a ton of room and lots of good grass to step outside and do the business. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it. Safe travels. Roll on T-Train.